Hi everyone, our team domain is about the large interactive display, and we have 7 group members, and our name is on this page.
Our project is to design large interactive public displays, which UQITS and Cisco plan to install in the future. Briefly, the screen is student-driven and can be used for student projects. It should be engaging and useful for UQ community as well as users coming outside. Therefore, what the design should look like and what contents should show on the screen are of great importance. In addition, how can we make the design original and distinguished from existing screens can be a real challenge. We should also focus on the usability and interaction, not just entertainment and business.
For the background, we are mainly talking about 3 existing works. As for the first one, these screens at QUT, one of the reasons why these screens are interesting is that they have various theme projects and the screens will display different contents based on the theme every week. As for the second one, Hello World, we find that people can interact via mobile devices. We think that is a very good interaction way. As for the third one, Blue Board, we find that these public displays can help people share and collaborate. So we think that we can have some cooperative game to help people make social connection.
Well, this part is about the stakeholders of our project. The key people we design for are the students, teachers, and some other people come to and use the campus of University of Queensland. Our team conducted a survey on some user group inside and outside of our school, and divided the general user group into 2 categories. The first persona is based on the student and school staff in the campus. Their main pain points for the campus life is that campus life is too monotonous, and they hope to have more fun facilities to make the campus life more interesting. Well, the second persona is based on the people outside of our school, and they are mostly the company personnel managers who come to the UQ campus to attend some recruitment meetings. And they will mainly focus on the road guiding function, and they want to get in touch with more talented students so that the social and the road guiding functions are their main pain points.
Conception model includes 3 parts, which are system concept statement, design principle, and system requirements. For the system concept statement, problem statement is to help people make new friends by playing a multiplayer game on a public big screen. And we plan to use gesture recognition technology, pressure sensor, and database to achieve that. For the interaction paradigm, it is mobile because we use the interaction of typing and the gesture control. And another one will be the embodied interaction, because people can use some body gestures to interact with the system. And the interaction mode is conversing and manipulating and navigating. For the metaphor, we plan to use the hands icons and body icons with arrows to help users to learn how to interact with the system.
Our team used the combination of the research outcomes and the insight from the affinity diagram to identify the initial concept of each functional sections. As you can see, there are 5 principles respectively represent the theme of project, the operation standard, interaction environment, and the functionality of system. For the system requirements, based on the insight and the research, our team divides the display into 3 main sections, encompassing games, comment-based sections, which service the people who are suffering the public embarrassment, and the daily support for the campus life.
In terms of the initial sketch of the design, our current idea is to design 3 screens as shown in the picture. In addition to interacting with the screen directly through gestures and touches, users can also connect their mobile phones or other electronic products to interact with the screen. Each screen consists of multi-touch screens and automated touch points. For Screen 1, we have a section for campus life supporting service, such as study and library support, campus navigation, and so on. In addition, there are also many small screens for individual user interaction. More importantly, the entire screen is in the same theme, which would change periodically in order to keep users' interest and provide interaction diversity. The other two screens, Screen 2 and Floor Screen, are mainly used for game interaction. These activities are based on gestures and touches. People can choose single player mode or multiplayer mode. Apart from that, the floor screen also supports a function to record the user's footprints and their personal information.
Questions and areas of investigation. First, it is hard to find a motion detector with low delay and high accuracy because Kinect has poor performance. Second, we lack hardware knowledge for choosing chips like sound card, graphics card, and network card. Third, we do not know how to access and processing data from UQ. Fourth, the system needs to gather private information while we are unfamiliar to private policy. Fifth, we want to make the display attractive, but we are lack of knowledge of art style design. Sixth, assuming we are going to build a mobile app to support the system, we are not experienced with mobile app development.
The last session is the future plan of our project. The design process is formed by several design circles, and each circle has 4 components, which are establishing requirements, design alternative, prototyping, and evaluating. We are currently at the very beginning of the first circle. We have finished problem define, background research, and understanding the user needs. We have also built a conceptual model based on this work, and now we are at the middle of prototyping with a few sketches that could generally demonstrate our early solution. And for the next couple of weeks, we will push forward with the design process. We will do the prototyping, conducting user evaluations, analyzing the user testing data, and we will repeat the design circle until the final proposal. There might be some challenges for the future work, like how we gonna conduct user testing based on the current situation affected by coronavirus and restrictions. How we gonna make sure that the user will be satisfied with our conceptual design, or how to understand or analyze the data we will get from the user testing. However, I think we will come up with the solutions to overcome these challenges.
Thanks for watching.